I've picked up this Kingchrome toolbox off Marketplace for $100. Here's the ad right here. Today we'll be installing it on top of the trailer. I'm going to put it through here because there's plenty of space. I've measured it up and we've got space to spare. When it comes to storing ropes and ratchets, this will certainly help. This is exactly where I want it. Plenty of room at the front, plenty of clearance at the back when it comes between the trailer and the lid opening also. That's going to be a great spot for it. So I've just found a little tiny dent on the bottom of the toolbox, but that's not an issue at all. Just going to put a little bit of paint on there just to protect that. Now it's time to mount it. I'm really happy with this. It's come up really well, really stable and super secure on the front of the trailer here. As you saw, I put in a little bit of weather shield as well around the edges. Not only does it help with closing it, so it doesn't just bang down, it also keeps the weather out while I'm driving along. If it starts to rain or if it's dusty, it's not going to get in there. So that's all done, $100 on Marketplace, really can't complain. It's gone on super well, really easy. Just the 4 U-bolts on the frame, up through the base there. You saw me put silicone on there to add extra weather protection. Really happy with that. The only drawback is with the weather shield that I've put around the top of it. Just makes it that little bit harder to clamp down, but I think after that settles in, it's not going to be an issue at all.